If you want that celebrity caramel chocolate skin, get this particular one. This is a body lotion. It has vitamin E, it has collagen, and it has manuka honey in it. Remember, the same way it is hard for a fair person to get a good body lotion, that is the same way it is difficult for people with caramel skin to get a good body lotion for their skin complexion. And that is why today I have made a list of 10 very good body lotions for caramel chocolate skin. Like, these body lotions are going to glow your skin, they're going to smoothen your skin, they're going to shine your beautiful caramel skin. So if you're scared of lightening, you are scared of over brightening your skin with all the brightening body lotions out there, I got you into this video. So I'm going to be giving you a list of 10, and in the next video after this one, I am going to be sharing 10 bar soaps and also 10 body washes for caramel skin. So do subscribe so you are going to know when I'm going to post that video. So let's get ahead. All right, so the first one I have on my list here is Dove Invigorating Care. I don't know, this camera is looking okay. So the first one I have on my list here is Dove Invigorating Care. Now, this is a very good lotion. Like, it is very, very good. A lot of caramel people, I think a lot of caramel people skip this particular body lotion when they buy Dove. But Dove Invigorating Care is a very, very, very good body lotion. Like, I recommended it to somebody, a friend of mine I used to know, and she personally called me to thank me because the consistency of the body lotion, the way it is going to glow your skin, moisturize your skin. Like, if you apply Invigorating Care on your skin, okay, and you have been suffering with dull skin, because some people with caramel skin, their skin usually looks dull, and most at times you need oils and all of those things to get that shine on your skin. But with Dove Invigorating Care, your skin is going to shine without body oil. Trust me, it is hydrating, it is moisturizing, and the moisture lasts long on the skin, unless you have severe dry skin. That is when you're going to need to pair it with a body oil. But this particular one, get it on my word, and you're going to come back and thank me. Dove Invigorating Care is super, super amazing for brown skin, for caramel skin, for chocolate skin. Okay, now the second one I have on my list is also from Dove, and that is the Dove Pampering Care. Now, this particular one, see, people that I want to get this one, if your skin is dry, if your skin is not soft, okay, Dove Invigorating Care is for glow, is for shine, is for suppleness and all of those things, hydration. But if your caramel skin, if your chocolate skin, if it is not soft, okay, if it is not soft to touch, if it's dry, please get Dove Pampering Care. You are absolutely going to love it. Like, this particular lotion is going to soften your skin, it is going to smoothen your skin, and it is going to give you an even skin tone. Every lotion I have here today are going to give you even skin tone. So if before you have been struggling with your skin, maybe your hands are darker than your inner body and all of those things, these lotions are going to round up your beautiful caramel complexion. So Pampering Care is for people that want to smoothen their skin. You want that buttery, soft caramel skin complexion. Like, for your skin texture to improve, get Dove Pampering Care. That is it for Dove Pampering Care, my second option for you. Now, my third option for you is one, it's very common, it's a very common lotion, but it's mostly used by fair people. But I plugged my small cousin to this particular body lotion. She usually has issues with body lotions. If she uses this one, is either is lightening her, she uses this one, is either is making her caramel complexion to look darker. Then I told her to use Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow. You see, Nivea Radiant and Beauty, like, it's usually used by fair people, but for a dark skinned person, it just bangs. It bangs. It's very, very, very good. So if you're a dark skinned person and have not tried Nivea Radiant and Beauty before, try it, and your skin is going to love it. Like, her skin now is perfect. Her caramel skin is popping. She has been using it since early this year, and her skin now is perfect. This is someone that usually is either she's getting darker or she's getting fairer due to trying lotions that is going to work for her. But this particular one just bangs, and it is affordable. So if you're looking for the affordable ones, yes, go for Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow. It is good. Okay, so the fourth on my list is also an affordable one, okay, and that is the Caris Naturals Honey and Almond Nourishing Body Lotion. There is something with honey and almond when it comes to caramel skin. If you're caramel skin and you see anything that has almond oil, you see anything that has honey in it, get it. It's not because of the color signifies your complexion. It's not because of that, but it is because these things have very rich nutritious ingredients or nutrients that benefit caramel chocolate skin. So this particular one is also affordable. Caris is about 3,005, depending on where you see it. I've used one of their body lotions before. I think the papaya or something, the one made for fair people, and it was absolutely amazing. Like, the price does not justify how this particular body lotion is super amazing. Try Caris Naturals and you are going to love it. The fifth on my list is Palmer's body butter. That is a Palmer's cocoa butter. Now, not the lotion, not the lotion. The lotion is good, but the body butter itself is better. You see this body butter? This body butter is super moisturizing. It is super hydrating. Like, you can use it in the morning if you're someone that doesn't go out in the sun. No, usually it's not advised to use butters in the daytime, but if you don't really sun dry yourself, then you can use it in the morning, okay, and at night. But this is a body lotion that is going to help to repair your skin. Now, who am I going to prescribe this one for? If your skin is cranky, if you feel like your skin barrier has been tampered with, like your skin is dry, you usually have dry elbows, dry heels, you usually have dry parts in your body, get Palmer's cocoa butter body butter and you're absolutely going to love it. This particular lotion, this particular body butter is good, and it is lightweight though. It's not because it says body butter then you are not going to be thinking. No, it is super duper lightweight, but it is moisturizing. Even for people with dry skin, you can use this particular body butter and it is going to keep you moisturized, keep you hydrated for a longer period of time. Now, the sixth of my list is my personal favorite, which is from Nivea, and that is the Nivea cocoa butter. Nivea cocoa butter is amazing. Honestly, I do not want to say much, but if you have used it before, you are going to know it's amazing. In fact, I forgot to say something about the Palmer's. The fragrance of that particular body butter is heavenly. Okay, I remembered it now because of this Nivea cocoa butter, because I am in love with the cocoa fragrance in it. But the Palmer's is top notch, you get. So, but this particular Nivea cocoa butter is super good. This one I'm going to recommend for people with dry skin. If you have oily skin, it might make you to sweat, but if you still have oily skin and you want to use it, you can just be taking it little quantity, because a little goes a long way. Another reason why I like Nivea nourishing cocoa is that you can use one bottle for 1 year, because this is a lotion you're just going to take a pea size, and you are going to use it like in almost all over your body. Do you understand? So it is really good. If you're on a budget, like your budget is budgeting, okay, then get Nurture Pink. Nurture Pink is very beautiful. I recommended it to a woman, and right now that's what she's using. That's what her kids are using. It is nice. It is sold for 1,008, 2,000 naira. It is nice. Okay, but make sure you're getting the pink one. Even as a caramel skin person, get the pink, because that's the one I usually recommend to everybody, and it is super amazing. Okay, it's going to brighten your skin and all of those. If you are someone with oily skin and you're looking for something that will not make you sweat at all, like you're this person that you're always sweating, anything you use, or you go lotion, anything you use is just like, it's just making you to sweat, making you to feel hot, get Nurture body lotion. It is super duper lightweight. Like, as you're applying it to your skin, it is drying out. It has very less oils in it, and that is why I'm not going to recommend it for people with dry skin. I'm not going to recommend it for people that want skin smoothing, because all this one does is just to moisturize and hydrate your skin. And when you use it over time, you are going to notice that your complexion is going to, be even. It gives even skin tone. Do you understand? Now, the fourth on my list is the absolute skin moisturizer, and that is the Aveno moisturizing lotion. Okay, if you can afford Aveno moisturizing lotion as someone with caramel chocolate skin, get it, and that's on period. You are absolutely going to love it. I don't want to say more, because this is a lotion for the big girls and for the big guys, and they use it for a reason, not just to keep status, but because it works. It moisturizes your skin. It gives you an all-rounded brown skin complexion that is actually very supple and sweet to touch, and it also helps to improve your skin texture. So if you're also someone that has a dry skin texture like yours, this texture of your skin is not drawing anybody to touch your skin, then get Aveno. Or Aveno is one of the ones you can get. I've actually mentioned some that can actually do the same thing, but Aveno is also one of them. Now, number 9 on our list is the Cosmo Brightening Niacinamide body lotion. This one is good. It is lightweight. It is beautiful. We know niacinamide, it is very good on the skin, and it is absolutely beautiful for people with brown skin. So the Cosmo Brightening Niacinamide body lotion is good. It's going to give you an even skin tone, and it is super amazing. Now, the 10th on my list is Advanced Clinicals Manuka Honey. If you want that celebrity caramel chocolate skin, get this particular one. This is a body lotion. It has vitamin E, it has collagen, and it has manuka honey in it. Remember, I told you anything that has honey, get it. In fact, generally for everybody, but I'm just talking based on caramels because that's the title of today's video, right? So this particular body lotion is amazing, amazing, amazing. It is going to smoothen your skin. It is going to soften your skin. It is going to glow your caramel skin complexion, and you are going to love your skin if you use this particular body lotions for a long time. Now, I want to say something before we actually wrap up. If you are using a body lotion as a caramel skin person, please be patient. Be patient with your skin. Some people will use a body lotion, they will just use one pack, or they just even bought the body lotion last week, and they will say they don't like it's not giving them what they want. 1 week is not enough, 2 weeks is not, 1 month is not enough. Okay, as an adult, our skin takes about, I think, 8 to 12 weeks before our skin cells can be renewed. So you need to use a particular product for a prolonged period of time for you to be able to see the actual result, because as you're using a lotion, the result is underneath. The result is underneath your skin, which is going to still turn to dead skin cells over time. But you need to wait to be able to shed those skins, your old skin. Then you are going to see the new skin and be able to see the result you got from the body lotions you are using. Every body lotion I talked about in today's video is super amazing. Like, anyone you get based on your budget, you are going to really, really love it. Okay, so but be patient with anyone you choose to get. As I said from the beginning, I'm going to be making a video of bar soaps and shower gels you can use with these body lotions. Okay, and yeah, I'll see you in that one.